Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. On this chart, we're currently tracking two possible scenarios. First of all, it's important to understand that the main support for bullish trend continuation is located at $1.20. So as long as the $1.20 level is holding, the overall forecast is for higher prices, and the price should reach $4.20 next, which is one of the next upside targets. It's a key Fibonacci target. And above that level, $5. Maybe we can even get to $6.20. But for now, we don't have a breakout pattern to the upside yet. The market is still moving in a range. It's just important to understand that we're currently moving in a range between, you could say, $1.20, which is key support, and the all-time high at around $3.40. Maybe you want to include the first upside target at $4.20 into that range. And then we're dealing here with a large range, which could be used for trading. I mean, essentially, the market could spend quite some time in this sideways range, which means it's possible. I'm not telling you to do that, but it is a plausible strategy to, or let's say a reasonable strategy to accumulate closer to $1.20 should the price get any closer to it, and sell as we get into the upper range area, okay, closer towards the green line at $3.40. But as I said, we're tracking two possible scenarios. The first one being that a wave 4 correction already formed the low. That was here on Monday when we had this flash crash, and the market could now be in recovery mode, and the rally in wave 5 might be unfolding. The rally in wave 5, however, would also be a 5-wave pattern, and this is what we're tracking at the moment. As long as micro support holds, I'm going to zoom in a minute, then we take a look at that. But then the alternative scenario, which comes into play if we don't break out during the next rally and instead fall down, well, it would just mean that the wave 4 is still unfolding. So that's what I mean, we are in a sideways range and the market could spend quite some time in this range. We just have to see if the market can break out impulsively above the all-time high area. So for now, I think it's best to understand what are these parameters for a larger range, and then to pay attention to the relevant support levels on the micro level, on the smaller time frame. So what I'm tracking here, as I showed you, is that this low on Monday was either a wave 4 in yellow, and we're now rallying higher to new all-time highs, or it was just the A wave of a larger corrective wave 4. If it's just the A wave, even then we could go higher, because a correction in a wave 4 is an A, B, C structure. So if this is the A wave low, the market might now be working on a B wave and then come down in a wave C. Again, it might stay in the range. So this would be the pathway to stay a little while in the range, whereas in the yellow scenario, the market might turn around and break out to the upside more directly. In both scenarios, blue and yellow, it is possible to get, first of all, a reaction to the support area. It's just the difference is then that in the yellow scenario, we would see an upside breakout above the green line. In the blue scenario, it would only be another rally, which would probably be weak, and then we break down. But we can, in the short term, focus here on this support zone. It is located between $1.95 and $2.35. And why is this relevant? Because it is the area between the 78.6 retracement and the 38.2 retracement, which is very, very important for a wave 2 corrective pullback. Such a wave 2 is a correction and would be a setup for a third wave rally, which is why this is so interesting. Now, I know a lot of you are interested in the microstructures. I can guarantee you that when you watch the videos, it's probably already moved. I mean, this is the 1 hour chart. But the idea is currently that in this wave 2, which is an A, B, C structure, the A wave might have bottomed already. The B wave here might have topped, and we could be working on a C wave, and the market might test $2.35 and $2.22 next. The first upside breakout signal would be a break above the B wave high, highlighted here in yellow, of this wave 2, or of the B wave. The microstructure is the same for these, which is located at around $2.72. So yeah, and this is the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, quick announcement, we've launched our new main channel. our new hub basically for the MCO community. This is the MCO Global channel. This is already our main brand umbrella basically. This is going to be a completely new channel. It's going to be the main channel. There is a video on the channel. Feel free to check it out. I'll link the channel in the description. It tells you everything about the channel. There will be interviews. There will be short-term content, long-term content with camera. It's a different kind of a different setting, different content. We will talk about fundamentals as well of projects, also different markets. It's more of a holistic, also, more of a holistic content type where we talk about different markets, what moves markets, okay? Lots of additional content that doesn't really fit into the Morecryptoonline channel, which will stay unchanged. But if you want to get additional content, feel free to check it out. Let's make this channel big. Let's see how long it takes to take it to 10,000 subscribers. Make sure that you join us there every day. We plan to release a video, or maybe every couple of days. We'll see how it goes. And we'll experiment a little bit here. So feel free to check it out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.